You want to replace your doorknob at home and would like to do it yourself. Here's a quick, easy guide. Tools you'd need include screwdriver and your new doorknob set. Ensure to purchase a doorknob set that fits the style and size of your front door. For this job, I used Quickset due to its high security. I'd make a quick review of this product in another video. Watch out! Step 1. Remove the old knob. Start by removing the screws on the interior side of the doorknob. Once the screws are removed, the knob should come apart, allowing you to access the latch mechanism. Pull the latch mechanism out of the door edge and set it aside. Now we've got a naked door.
Nice.
Step 2. Install the new latch mechanism. Attach the strike plate to the new latch mechanism, then insert it into the hole on the edge of the door, ensuring that the curved side faces the direction the door closes. Do not tighten the screws yet. Step 3. Position the new knob. Position the exterior knob on the outside of the door and the interior knob on the inside, aligning the spindle of each knob with the latch mechanism in the door edge. Ensure that they are all in the right position before tightening. Step 4. Tighten the screws. Secure the knobs and latch mechanism in place by tightening the screws on both sides with a screwdriver. Step 5. Attach the collar plate. Place and secure the collar plate in place with the screws provided, using a screwdriver to tighten them. To fix the door handle, repeat steps 4 and 5. Ensure to tighten it gently to avoid any scratches. Now test the new doorknob to ensure that it operates smoothly and locks securely. Turn the knob to open and close the door, and test the latch mechanism to ensure that it engages properly with the door frame. Don't go through this stress. Reach out to us today at Kaminskiy Care and Repair if you are considering changing your doorknob and any other home improvement. Catch you on the next DIY.